Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Cadillac. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac is a great value with less than 28,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.